Raghav had rupees 6x cube plus 2x square plus 3 and he bought 4x square plus 3 shirts. The price of each shirt is rupees x plus 5. How much money is left with Raghav? Forget all this x business. Think that Raghav had say 35 rupees or 33 rupees. He bought some 5 shirts. Okay. So the price of each shirt is let's say 7 rupees. So 5 shirts he bought. He had 33 rupees. So here it won't be 33, it would be 38 then. So 38, 5 shirts, 7 rupees each. 7 5 is 35 and 3 remains, right? So how much money is left means that's what we have to find. 38 minus multiplication of these two, right? 38 minus 5 into 7. This is what the example is. Okay. So we'll use the same logic over here. Total cost of shirts is what? 4x square plus 3 into x plus 5. Solve this. 4x cube plus 20x square plus 3x plus 15, right? Means how do we solve this? 4x square plus 3 into x plus 5. So 4x square into x plus 5 plus 3 into x plus 5. Solve this. You get 4x cube plus 20x square plus 3x plus 15. This is the total cost of shirts. Okay. And how much money did Raghav have? 6x cube plus 2x square plus 3x. Okay. So he had this much means in our earlier example 38 rupees and cost was 35. So how do we find the remaining? This minus this, 38 minus 35. Similarly over here 6x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 0. Why 0? Because we have to subtract this the money which here the total cost of shirts from money plus 0 minus what? This 4x cube plus 20x square plus 3x plus 15. Do minus, you get 2x cube here minus 18x square and 3x gone minus 15. So what is the money left with him? 2x cube minus 18x square minus 15. This much is the money left with Raghav. Okay, that is the answer. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get his videos, tests,